How to manually install Raspberry Pi as a VPNCity VPN router on macOS. Building your own open-source Raspberry Pi VPN router couldn't be simpler with VPNCity's open-source IMG. It only takes 10 minutes to build your own Raspberry Pi router and protect your entire home or office behind a state-of-the-art VPN. This guide is intended for power users and we highly recommend you use this guide, which is easier and quicker. What you need: a Mac or MacBook with SD card reader. An external read would also work. VPNCity Raspberry Pi IMG. Download at https://www.vpncity.com/download/vpncity-pi.zip. Raspberry Pi. Format your SD card and prepare for copying the image. There are a few ways you can format your SD card on your Mac. Being a Unix-based system, you can do so via the command line, or terminal, but there is a risk you could format the wrong drive. So let's do this using Disk Utility. Open Disk Utility, Command N space and search Disk Utility. Once you have Disk Utility open, you should see the SD card reader in the list on the left. It may not appear exactly as it has in the screenshot below depending on what version of macOS you are running, but you are looking for the disk that is the same size as the SD card you have inserted. We now want to erase the SD card. This is going to delete everything from the SD card. Highlight the SD card on the left side and click Erase in the top of the window. Important: be careful to erase the correct drive. Set a name and select the format XFAT. Once the SD card is formatted, you now need to eject the RP partition that it created by clicking the eject button alongside RP. Copy the IMG file to your SD card. The easiest way to copy an IMG file to your SD card is using the terminal window, Command N space and search terminal. Once you have your terminal open, type disk-util list to show all the disks on your Mac. What we are looking for in this list is the disk with the partition RP, from naming it earlier in the format. As you can see in the screenshot above, we now know the disk is /dev/disk3. To copy the image to your SD card, you would now simply run the command changing x for the number of your disk, in this case 3, sudo ddbs equals 1m if equals path underscore of underscore your underscore image.img. Of equals /dev/redisk xconv equals sync. Eject the SD card from your Mac, disk-util unmount disk/dev/disk x. Put it into your Raspberry Pi and power it up. For details, view Configure your Raspberry Pi, aka how to set up Raspberry Pi as a VPNCity VPN Wi-Fi hotspot on Windows 10 and Mac.